Namaste. This video is about me answering all the questions that I get about my Art of Intimacy workshop. So, the first question is, what is Art of Intimacy workshop? Art of Intimacy workshop is a one-day immersive experience that I have designed to help people elevate their intimate life. You know, intimacy is a skill. It's not a skill where you can just learn from free internet knowledge, talking with your friends, some parents' gyan and here and there. That is junk, and it's going to create a crisis or dissatisfaction in your intimate life. I'm an intimacy coach and I have coached 5,000 plus clients through my direct counseling and group workshops and online intimacy courses. And I have seen how the right intimate knowledge, the intimacy practices and the intimacy tools can create a marvelous transformation in your intimate life. You cannot even imagine the potential you hold in terms of deepening the intimacy, expanding the pleasure and fulfilling experiences in your intimate life. So in my Art of Intimacy workshop, I'll take you through ancient knowledge of Tantra, modern sex therapy tools, techniques, and more importantly, a holistic approach where you will learn how to deepen the intimacy in your life, whether you are single or whether you are a couple. We all deserve pleasure, aren't we? So, in this workshop, you will learn how to elevate and cultivate pleasure. Feel the orgasmicness not just in your bedroom, but in every moment, every day of your life. So you become an orgasmic person. You are an orgasmic being. Life becomes orgasm. Question number 2. Give me a basic idea of what happens in Art of Intimacy workshop. Because of the term intimacy, a lot of people have myths and misconceptions around such workshops. So, let me tell you, there is no nudity in this workshop. There is no live sex that is performed in the workshop. Art of Intimacy workshop is a therapeutic workshop which is based on well-being, pleasure and satisfaction, and that can be experienced right there in this moment through your senses, through your intellect, through your soul, through your heart. So, in the intimacy workshop, some of the activities that we do is through body movement practices, we activate the energy, the sexual energy in the body, helping body feel more alive. Do you know that in today's 9 to 5 laptop-driven culture, mobile app-driven culture, we are becoming more sensually numb, and hence it takes us something really huge to feel excitement, to feel pleasure. But the Art of Intimacy workshop is a more of a downward approach where the subtlety is emphasized on. We will be having intimacy practices, pleasure rituals, yoga, breath work, sound, ancient tantra rituals. There are so many beautiful practices our ancient yogis who have studied sexuality have designed that you are not even aware of. I'm going to bring that whole treasure trove from the modern sex science and the tantra to create a beautiful transformative experience. The Art of Intimacy workshop is a curated space which is safe, non-judgmental, inclusive, and more importantly with a common goal of deepening the intimacy and deepening the well-being. Well-being is something that we all deserve. It is a workshop where women are safe. It is a workshop where couples feel included. Every person is included regardless of their gender, sexual orientation, and status of relationship. Question number 3. Is it legal, this sort of a thing? Well, the Art of Intimacy workshop is a legal workshop in the sense that we use psychological therapeutic techniques, ancient tantra techniques, meditative techniques, body work techniques. What is legal and illegal? Let us first understand this. Legality involves around obscenity. If you are doing something obscene or something which is uncomfortable to people around you, that comes under the illegal scanner. Whereas our workshop is purely based on well-being. So yes, it is completely safe and completely legal to attend. We have so many married couples, we have singles, we have men, women attending this workshop. Is this going to be a meditation workshop only? Well, meditation is a part of it. And how I understand meditation and how tantric teachers and even sex therapists, we approach meditation is not just about keeping your eyes closed and being in that posture. Meditation is focus, and you can create focus through any activity. Sex is a meditation, dance is a meditation, eating is a meditation. So yes, we talk about the exploration, in the Art of Intimacy workshops. You are taken through a variety of activities which are designed to elevate pleasure in your life, and meditation being one of them. We also focus on sound, we also focus on body movement, we also focus on sensual aliveness, sensual delights, and you will see there are so many different activities that you can do. Question number 5. I'm single, can I attend this workshop? Well, this workshop is as much for singles as it is for couples. Often single people think that I don't have a partner. What will I do in such workshop? But even if you are single, don't you deserve pleasure? Don't you deserve intimacy? And the greater intimacy is with your own self. So I also focus for singles, they can learn the self-touch, how I can touch my body in a way where I can get pleasure. It is just beyond the usual masturbation techniques, the jacking off, where you are just getting that high for a few minutes and then fizz, it goes out. But you will learn the whole body touch techniques where you can get such a satisfied pleasure in your life. Personally, I have been single for years, and through these ancient tantra techniques and sex therapy tools, I have been able to keep my pleasure at an optimal level. Also, if you are single, well, tomorrow if you want to go into a relationship, how will you engage with that partner? So you will also learn, better to avoid the disaster. Prevention is better than the crisis. So you will also prepare yourself to increase your magnetic charm so that you can attract the right partner. There is a preparation involved before we say I do or before we commit to someone. And I always emphasize singles, take your singlehood as the opportunity where you can learn about intimacy so that you can choose the right partner and have a right relationship with them. Or even if you don't want to get into a relationship but you want to stay single by choice, how you can optimize and enhance the pleasure on an everyday level. Question number 6. How can we learn intimacy without a partner? Well, again, this is a major myth people have, that intimacy can only be created with a partner. Your first intimate relationship is with your own self, which means everything you do, everything you think is around intimacy. For example, your thoughts. Lot of people have less self-worth thoughts. They feel inadequate. And for that, to fulfill that, we do so many things. You can travel the world around. I had a male client, he was single, and he was doing potentially everything from scuba diving, global traveling, buying expensive cars, trying every possible hobby. And yet deep down, he was empty. Through Art of Intimacy workshop, you first learn about fulfillment, satisfaction. And that's the first thing about intimacy. Think about it. What is the end goal of intimacy? To make us happy. And that starts with self. If you are unhappy and you feel only a partner can make me happy, that's a mistaken belief. Because your partner is just going to replicate or just going to mirror how you are feeling inside. I had a fulfilling, happy life as a single where I was intimately happy on all levels, mind, heart, soul, and body. And this is where you learn how to be intimately fulfilled as a single. What sort of couple exercises are there in the workshop? Well, if you are a couple, you can experience so many practices that are designed as partner practices. One of the practices is called heart salutation, where you can connect with your partner's heart. There are beautiful communication exercises where you learn how to communicate better with your partner. If you are a couple, you will know how difficult communication is in a relationship where there can be small disagreements, moments of disconnection. How to learn to reconnect after a conflict is what you will learn. Also, usually a lot of couples in today's times, they get tired and they don't have energy to have hot sex. You will also learn about soulful sex, soulful intimacy that does not require an effort, but it can be done in a relaxed state. Something we call as a relaxed lovemaking or relaxed intimacy that can just soothe in your nervous system. Also, a lot of couples, they run into a block when it comes to exploration, because after 2 years or 3 years and having kids and responsibilities, you feel sex has become boring, intimacy has become boring, or even worse, one of the partners have lost their desire to have sex. Art of Intimacy workshop is a savior for people in sexless marriages. So please come attend this with your partner, and you will learn in a step-by-step how to build intimacy and maintain it. Question number 8. Do we get a partner to perform? Well, intimacy is not a performance. Intimacy is an experience. And while this workshop is open for all people, we do not guarantee a partner. You are not coming here to do some exercises with a partner. You are coming here for your own self. What we teach people is how to become magnetic so that the right people get attracted to you and come to you without you making an effort. And that is what this workshop is about, how you can become magnetic, how you can become radiant, which is you don't need the presence of another person to become magnetic and become radiant and learn and experience intimacy. Partner is like the icing on the cake. The cake is you. Question number 10. What are the exercises in group session? Well, there are so many exercises in Art of Intimacy group workshop, but just for your knowledge, I'm sharing 3 of them. One of the exercises is called sharing circle, where you create small groups where you are given the opportunity and space and safety and privacy to share your innermost thoughts. This is a completely optional exercise, but you can share in a group of strangers in a private space your most innermost thoughts. Do you know that in our society and even in our family and even with your partner, you cannot share everything, and there is so much that you keep to yourself. This is a group where you get to hear other people's concerns, their desires, their fantasies, and you have the option to share yours. A beautiful experience. The second exercise is journey of senses. So we have these 5 senses: the sense of touch, the sense of sight, the smell, taste, and sound. And the journey of senses involve a set of exercises that are designed to make you more sensually alive, so that every experience becomes so sensually delightful. And the third exercise is the set of cathartic exercises. A lot of us, we don't even realize that we have been carrying years and years of trauma, stress, and so many accumulated tension that can become a blocker to pleasure or a blocker to connection and orgasm. And through these set of cathartic exercises, you are invited to release all that stored, piled up tension, so you become more light, more open, and orgasmic. And there are plenty of other exercises.